three drones were able to beat the challenge. As I always tell you guys, I wouldn't put these things on the channel unless I thought they were amazing. And amazing they are. They did a great job. They were all able to jump through that cool hoop, and it was fantastic. It was fantastic. I love all three of these drones. I do not have all my drones today. These are the ones that I feel are going to be the most likely to work well indoors. Let's unplug here to make sure that we don't destroy anything, including the cool new battery that came with the Easy Pilot. So that's all cool, guys. So anyway, it's the holidays. Happy holidays. I'm still out here doing stuff for the channel, but that's okay, because it's fun to do. It's fun to do for you guys. So there we go. Maybe going back home for a little bit of real flight in a few minutes. So maybe that'll show up. And eventually I will have this in 3D here, not in 3D, in VR for anybody who wants to watch these adventures in that format. I will have that up there for you guys. But with that said, all three drones are fantastic. All three drones are going to come with different remotes. This is for the Easy Pilot. This is for the Iron Quad from Beta FPV. And for the Happy model, if you find the Ready to Fly kit, it'll come with that kind of remote over there. But in other cases, you just have to bind it yourself. So with that said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. And I'll see you all in the next one, and hopefully in real flight pretty soon. Take care, guys.